A strawberry bag, a sandwich for headphones, tea bags for books, and an infinite calendar? Today, we will tell you how to make trendy accessories from ordinary school supplies. For the first life hack, you will need a small jar and a piece of foil. Crumple the foil and make it oblong. Make a slot for the jar and bend the tail up. Decorate the foil with drops of hot glue. Apply hot glue to the entire surface of the foil and proceed to decorating the walls of the jar. Attach a tail fin made out of hot glue. Paint the tail in a gradient. Emphasize the scales with silver paint. The result is a custom stand for your office supplies in the form of a mermaid's tail. It will fit a whole mountain of pencils and other school supplies. This is one of a kind. Do you like unique things? If you do, your pen should be different from everyone else's. Use white air-dry clay. Cover the body of the pen with clay. Make a thin roll and wrap the bottom of the pen with it. Fasten a tip on the other side. Roll the clay into balls. Make shapes like this. Connect them in a square. Cover the joints. Build a pyramid out of clay. Insert the pen in the center. Paint the tower red and blue. Color the base with markers. The result is a mini version of the Eiffel Tower, which can turn into a pen at the right time. Your French teacher will definitely appreciate your enthusiasm. And now we'll show you what you can turn a normal marker into. Cover the marker with a pink foam rubber sheet. Use Elmer's glue. Take a piece of a foam rubber sheet of the same color and punch holes in it. Collect the small pink circles. Glue them in rows. For each marker, select the matching color of the foam rubber sheet. Voila! The boring markers turned into bright Legos. Writing with Lego markers is much more interesting than with regular ones. Next up is advice on an unusual use of a simple soap dish. You need wheels from a toy car. Hot glue the wheels to the soap dish. Take pieces of a rubber band. Using a hot glue gun, fasten them crosswise. Fasten shelves in the second compartment. Glue skewers to the back wall of the soap dish. Make them parallel to each other. Join them with a handle and decorate the case with tourist stickers. Fold small office supplies in the suitcase. Pencils, an eraser, glue, a sharpener. The yellow bag turned out to be very roomy. Enjoy your trip to the country of knowledge. As they say, bon voyage! For the next life hack, cut out a shape from a piece of cardboard. Make light notches as shown in the video. Now you can easily fold the pieces along the lines. Make a hole in each of the corners. Take a bright ribbon. In addition to the ribbon, you will need a retainer and a metal bead. Put the bead on the ribbon. Pass the double-folded ribbon through the outermost hole and then pass it through all the other holes. Pull the ribbon. Place the retainer at the second end of the ribbon. Cut out pictures of fruits. Attach them to the case using Elmer's glue. Place the pencils in the case. Close it, tightening the ribbon. This transforming case is very convenient to use and it takes up very little space in your backpack. And now you need a soft cover notebook. Remove the cover from the notebook. Take a transparent folder. Go over the outline of the sheets. Cut it out. Wrap it in parchment paper and seal the edges with a flat iron. Repeat from 2 sides. You should get 2 pockets. Fasten the pockets on both sides of the notebook. Use super glue. Apply a layer of glue on top. Cover the end with a piece of a shiny foam rubber sheet. Get some postcards and photos. Insert the picture in the plastic pocket. You just made a notebook with a changing cover. Its look depends on your mood. For the next life hack, take a gel pen and pliers. Take out a tightly fitting cap. Take a lollipop. Shorten the stick with scissors. Insert the remaining end of the stick into the body of the pen. Why would you chew on a pencil during a test if you can chew on delicious sweet candy? especially since sugar is good for the brain. Every sweet tooth should appreciate this one. Next, take a piece of cardboard and some strips of red paper. Fasten the strips to the cardboard using Elmer's glue. Fold the box. Take a pencil and 3 pieces of warm-toned clay. Smush the clay without mixing the colors. Fasten it to the end of the pencil. Give it a popcorn shape with a skewer. Decorate all the pencils in the pencil case with popcorn. Put them in a popcorn box. The bold design of the pencil case will stimulate your appetite and the desire to get down to work as soon as possible. And now you need some paper. Mark the sheet with dots 1/2 inch apart. Draw squares according to the markup. Cut along the lines. Take regular thumbtacks. Bend the tips using pliers. Fasten buttons to the paper squares using a hot glue gun. You need a total of 31 squares. Write numbers with the marker. Take a small magnetic board. Cut out a frame from colored cardboard. Fasten the frame with the lined calendar to the magnetic board. For convenience, use a wooden picture frame. Attach the corresponding sheets to the board on magnets. You made an infinite calendar. All you need is to change it at the beginning of the month. Rearrange the dates by days of the week and change the name of the month, and the calendar is ready for use. For the next life hack, you will need a thin piece of a foam rubber sheet. Draw the outline of a tea bag. Cut it out. Make 2 pieces like that. Place a rope between the foam rubber sheets. Stick them together using Elmer's glue. Fasten a square of a white foam rubber sheet. Attach a pink label to the end of the rope. Choose a good sticker. Decorate the bag with fruits. This way, without much effort, you can make a whole bunch of original bookmarks. They are very simple to use. Just place a tea bag between the pages and leave the thread outside. An unusual tea collection will be a faithful companion of your favorite books. For the next life hack, cut out a circle from a red foam rubber sheet. Cut a green piece of a foam rubber sheet into triangles. Squeeze out drops of super glue at the base of a triangle. Fasten green leaves to the edge of a circle. Make holes in the intervals between the triangles using the hole punch. Pass a thread through the holes. Decorate the red center with black seeds. Unfold the other side and put stuff into the pencil case. Tighten the lace and tie a bow. You made a funny bag in the form of a strawberry. Now it feels like summer. For the next idea, let's get a plastic container with a lid and a pencil sharpener. Fasten the sharpener on the back of the lid. Burn a hole that matches the hole of the sharpener with the tip of a hot glue gun. Cover the container with a bright foam rubber sheet. Use super glue. Fasten a pair of googly eyes. Glue pink cheeks. Draw a mouth and brows with a marker. The result is a funny pencil sharpener. Using it is so much fun! For this idea, you need a large piece of dark beige felt and smaller colored pieces. Cut out pieces like this. Add a couple of pieces of yellow felt. Make a sandwich. Put a salad leaf on the circle of beige felt. Glue them together. Fasten red circles of sausage. Paste the slices of cheese on top. Fold your felt sandwich and fasten a clasp. Put your headphones inside and close the sandwich with the button. The soft felt sandwich will lift your spirits and your headphones will never get tangled in your pocket. Have you already started to decorate your school supplies? Which ideas did you like more than the rest? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss the most interesting life hacks for school from Troom Select.